kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii asingo kumanyebuna abakagerwa batano noyomo egati ya batano na babere abo bakabeira bakori emirimo be county ya Homa Bay abo babwateranire n'obukurumi bw'ekibesa gwetania $1,000,000 chimisatu nigo litkolia rero baikigwa bosibwe kigambero gya Kisii imiyemo cy'obosongo korengana n'omunachebi na Ada Mildred Obura nigo ayenekire buna abo nigo barayigorerwe asogwa kana cash bail $1,000,000 gose bond eisaine $1,000,000 kera oyomo murikito Pethel Machini na kirana chinsemecho nabigo gutwariganiria ayakubwatia
Magiga yo kubekwa byara nikiombi yo kurwanya obukurumi gya EACC abakagero batano no yamigati abatano na babiri abakabira bakuri meremasi serikali ya county ya Homa Bay obukurumi bw'ekibesa wetani $1,000,000 chimisatu
is 336,270,032 from all the accused persons, and I don't know if I can provide a copy of the claim, which is a court document as filed by the Sorry record. Secondly, also to bring a brief context, out of that money, Your Honor, there is 13,511,262, which is held in Cooperative Bank, but also just to indicate that that amount is frozen by the EACC, and that account belongs to Heartland and the fourth and fifth defendant. It's important that I highlight that so that it also guides the court when making the bail and bond terms and conditions.
Itukurerero niga bakagero abo bakiwasika mbere kenagia Kisii irikwira ndamo bodi igoro ya mumachabo bakorawa nabo bisakura sia bisyo mosoiro monene bwa serikali ODPP ilikuwa nikigambere kiko bobwena kurengana na mumachabo asibese cyo gikagira kwewe konde company ya Heartland Enterprises iyo ere eyabakagero James Yuka n'umuryo ya Paulino Duer abo bakabira bakuri mirimo be county yo.
Unless a person who is arrested or charged with any offense shall be granted bail unless the court is satisfied that that person A has previously been granted bail and has failed to surrender to the custody, and that if released on bail, whether or not subject to conditions, it is likely that they would fail to surrender to custody.
Bosio bo munachebi no monene Ada Mildred Obura niganikire kubura kwa abatanire bya ODPP n'abakagirwa bo bayubwaine korengana na mumachayo abo.
I am further guided by Article 49(1) of the Constitution of Kenya, which expressly provides that an arrested person has the right to be released on bail or bond on reasonable conditions, pending a charge or trial unless there are compelling reasons not to be so released. Section 123A of the CPC guides the court on the circumstances to be considered where the right to bail or bond is in consideration, and they include the nature or the seriousness of the offense, the character, associations, the community of the accused persons, the accused person's records in respect of fulfillment of obligations under previous bail, and the strength of the evidence of his having committed the offense. However, the court appreciates the seriousness of the offense, which I say is very serious, and also noting that the matter involves public funds. Whether or not the actual amount is stated on the charge sheet, or whether or not there is evidence to support the charge, is not a matter for determination at this juncture.
Sokuna chakwae nigo mwanachebi na Mildred Obura anachiribu nabo kagirabo nigo barayigorre ase cash bail $1,000,000 wose bond $1,030,000 kero yomo.
So bearing the above in mind, I hereby direct that the accused person shall be released on bond of Kenya shillings 30 million or a cash bail of Kenya shillings 5 million shillings for each accused person. 30 million plus one surety of the said amount, or a cash bail of 5 million shillings for each accused person. I took into account the circumstances of the fourth and the fifth accused persons, And my directions are that the fifth accused person will be released on a personal bond of Kenya shillings 5 million plus 2 sureties of the said amount.
Ripoti ya Ensoko TV kurasika mbero gia Kisii, Nchepethuel Machin.